Behold the marvel that transcends time itself, the Great Wall of China. Stretching over thousands of miles, it stands as a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. With each brick laid by ancient hands, it weaves a story of empires rising and falling, of battles fought and won. This colossal structure, winding through rugged terrain and rolling hills, is not just a barrier against invaders, but a symbol of unity and strength. From the watchtowers that pierce the clouds to the serpentine path along mountain ridges, the Great Wall whispers secrets of dynasties past. Its majesty is unmatched, its grandeur unparalleled. As the only human-made structure visible to the naked eye from the moon, it beckons travelers from all corners of the globe to behold its awe-inspiring splendor. Stand upon its ancient ramparts, feel the weight of history beneath your feet, and gaze upon vistas that stretch to the horizon. Let the Great Wall of China ignite your imagination and humble your spirit, for in its shadow, we are reminded of the boundless potential of human endeavor and the enduring legacy of those who came before us.